Today I have the Infinix Smart9 HD. It is a budget phone priced at Rs 6700 but comes at a special launch price of Rs 6200 with prepaid offers. Now at this price point, we don't expect a powerhouse. We look for a phone that's functional, practical and maybe even offers a little extra. So does the Infinix Smart9 HD deliver? Let's find out. Before I talk about the phone, let me first show you the unboxing. This is the retail box of Infinix Smart9 HD. On the back, you see the key specifications. Now let's quickly open the box and see the box content. Here is the Smart9 HD. You also get a 10-watt charging adapter, charging cable, SIM ejector pin, user manual, and a back cover for the phone. Now let's talk about Infinix Smart9 HD starting with the design. This phone feels surprisingly sturdy. It has plastic build with flat edges, glass finished back and color matched frame. The smartphone looks really good and definitely stands out. The phone has a large display with hole punch for the selfie camera. It has thick bezels, but that's acceptable for a budget phone. It has volume rockers and side button on the right. SIM card tray is on the left where you can include two SIM cards and a micro SD card. The base side has headphone jack, USB-C port and a speaker grill. On the back it has spherical camera module with two camera sensors and two LED flash. The smartphone is comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. It carries a weight of 188 grams and has a width of 8.35 mm. If I talk about the durability, Infinix claims it's been drop tested 250,000 times and has passed the 6-sided drop protection test. Something to give you peace of mind. And the phone also feels durable. The IP54 rating also makes it splash and dust proof. Overall, this phone stands out with its beautiful and durable design in this segment. The phone comes with a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, a good one at this price point. The display seems good for watching videos and other content. The panel has 500 nits of brightness, not very bright but sufficient for outdoor usage. It also has twin speaker setup with DTS sound processing and sound output is loud. Not very detailed but good for watching movies and social media content on the phone. The phone packs MediaTek Helio G50 chipset which has an octa-core processor with 2 GHz clock speed. It's built on a 12nm process that is an older but is still efficient for budget phone. The phone efficiently handles basic functions and everyday apps. Users may notice slightly longer loading times and a minor delay when switching between apps. But overall, the device provides a responsive and enjoyable experience for its price. The smartphone also has 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM and supports up to 3GB of virtual RAM. The GPU can handle casual gaming and basic graphics processing. You can play less demanding games and casual games comfortably on this phone. You get 64GB of eMMC 5.1 storage and the storage is expandable up to 1TB. Smart9 HD runs XOS 14 that is based on Android 14 Go. Since the UI is based on Android 14 Go, it is optimized to run smoothly on entry-level smartphone with limited resources. The phone comes with a few bloatware, but count is low and you can uninstall these apps. The UI has a notable feature called Dynamic Bar that shows charging animation, face unlock animation, and call information around the selfie camera. You also get themes, wallpapers, and other customization options and gestures for getting things done quickly. The phone has a dual camera setup with 13 megapixels primary camera and a secondary depth camera. It also has dual flash setup that includes a normal flash and segments first zoom flash. The normal flash works in regular low light photos. However, the dedicated zoom flash helps cameras zoom functionality. When you zoom in on a subject, the light from zoom flash helps to maintain focus and clarity. For selfies, the phone has a 8 megapixels front camera with front LED flash for low light selfies. Now let's have a look at some of the camera samples. The rear camera performance on daylight is good, although it does not capture much details. Photos are sharp with good colors. However, the camera struggles in low light. Obviously, you cannot expect much from a camera of a budget phone. Selfie camera is also good in broad daylight, but it struggles in indoors and low light. The phone can record 1080p 30fps videos from the rear camera. Due to lack of any stabilization, videos turn out to be shaky. This is the front camera recording. It can record 1080p 30fps videos from selfie camera and the same result here. This phone does not support 5G and there is also no other 5G phone priced less than Rs 7000, so not a big disappointment here. You get 4G, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. The fingerprint sensor is on the side button and it works well. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that can provide you a full day of battery backup. There is also a power boost feature that can further extend battery backup. You also get ultra power saving mode with options to customize the power saving mode. Smart9 SD supports only 10 watt charging and takes more than 2.5 hours to charge. Infinix Smart9 SD seems a good entry level smartphone. It offers a beautiful and durable design, good display, decent performance and long lasting battery. However, the low light camera performance could have been better and charging is slow. But these are only minor compromises considering the price of the phone. At just Rs 6700, Infinix Smart9 SD is a good phone to consider. That's it for this video. If you have any question about the phone, leave in the comments and also let me know what do you guys think about this phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.